SEW Eurodrive has developed the state-of-the-art drive electronics that give its drive systems the perfect combination of AC motor control, variable speed performance and functional safety. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The company's MoviTrack and MoviDrive inverters combine a high level of functionality with optimised energy consumption, allowing users to reduce overall system operating costs. Combined with the Movi PLC sequence and motion controller, the SEW Eurodrive frequency inverter range is a logical choice for demanding motion control applications. SEW servo motors provide a flexible servo drive solution for applications needing dynamic performance and accurate, precise positioning. A range of sequencing, positioning, synchronizing and electronic camming operations are integrated into the servo controllers, and the functionality can be further enhanced with the Movi PLC servo controller. Underlying all SEW drive electronics, the company's functional safety technology ensures that systems are compliant with EN 13849-1, meeting the challenge of safe, trouble-free and economical system operation. And you can find out more about SEW Eurodrive's expertise in drive electronics at all the W's, SEWEurodrive.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.